Ladies and gentlemen, hi! My name is Goodwood GBS, and today we are playing Vector. If you guys not know,
Welcome to our brave new world.
if you guys not know Vector,
The world
papaliwanag na dito.
There's no need for you to rush. You're already where you were meant to be. There's no need for you to think. The pressure's removed. All decisions are made.
What?
We've offered you comfort, harmony, and order, requiring only that you obey.
Oh my god. Oh, damn. Damn. Yan na. Superman na guys siya. Well, if you guys not know Vector, this game is all about parkour.
Parkour!
Vector. Yes. Yes. Vector. You guys not know? Parkour. Swipe out. Eh. Parkour. 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 Swipe down. Yeah. Parkour. There you go. Parkour. 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 Let's go. Oh crap. Swipe right, accelerate. Hey. Swipe jump. Parkour. Swipe jump. Hey. What is this? Front flip. Front flip. Parkour. Hey, nice one, guys. Let's go, team. Let's go, team. Level 111. 3 stars. Yay! The best. New best time. Yay. That's nice. What is this? This is new. Walang ganito dati. Play mo. Skip po. Patukin nyo. What? Unlock. What? Tap here to learn more about boosters. Okay. Start. Okay, parkour! 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 There you go! Parkour! Whee! Parkour! Oh my god! They are on my foot. Damn it. Hindi ko na ano yun, yung isa. Reverse 360. Hey! Parkour! Damn it. Yeah! Run! Jump! There you go. Thief wolf. There you go. Parkour! Di yata to 3 stars. Yeah, I can do better. But I feel like a case. This is new. Meron ng skin. What? Heroes. I can't. Open. Claim. Thank you. This is so new to me. Wait lang. I-ano pa natin itong level 2. Kasi I feel like hindi kasi natin nakuha yung ano eh. Yung box na yun eh. Yun yung nagano sa atin eh. Yan, yung box. And then, ito yung box. There you go, nakuha na natin. Okay. 360. Ito pala, reverse 60. Yeah. Yep. There you go. Run. 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 There you go. Ha. 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 Damn it. Ha. Parkour. There you go. Nice. 3 stars. Parkour. 1 to 3 na tayo. Best natin matuto Magnet. What? What do you mean? Parkour! There you go. Damn it. No! Bilisan mo! No! I said quick. I said quick. I said quick. Reverse 360. Run! Talon! There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Reverse wall. Jump. There you go. Parkour. 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 Front flip. Hey. Parkour. Hey, parkour. Parkour. There you go. 3 stars. Galing ko talaga, guys. Yun ang kailangan sabihin. I am just so good at this game na hindi nyo na kailangang banggitin pa ng paulit-ulit. Let's unlock that. Shocker. What do you mean, shocker? Ano gagawin ng shocker? Crap! Di ko nakuha. Gainer! Pero parang backflip na rin yan Hindi ko nakuha, sayang. Damn it! Hindi ko naman nakuha. Dalawa na hindi na natin nakuha. Okay. Front flip. Parkour. Parkour. There you go. Run! Nasa likod pa na siya. Biran niya. Mani. Manama. Parkour. There you go. Pero feeling ko dalawa lang to. 2 stars lang. Yup. I know it. Damn it! We're gonna do it again. Saan yun? Yan. Gawin natin ulit. Jump! Parkour! Parkour! Damn it! Di ko na naman na... Oh, pwede natin pala ulitin ng ganun lang. Nice! Parkour! Parkour! Damn it! Bet hindi ko nakukuha. Yun. Parkour! Pwede ba natin akitin? Pwede! No! Talon! Parkour! Nice! Gainer! Parkour! 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 Hey! Mairita kayo sa parkour na yan. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Parkour! Damn it! Yun lang. We're dead. Damn it. Ulitin natin. Wala na, ulitin natin lahat. Parkour! Bilis! Parkour! There you go. Parkour! 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 Itong cube talaga yung magiging problema eh. There you go. Nice. There you go. Nice. Oh my god, nakakalimutan ko yung isa. Magiging counted pa ba yan? Please no. feel like counted. No! No! Damn it! What do you mean? What do you mean? Yung tricks naman ba yan? Faster! What do you mean faster, eh? Gainer? Parkour! Tricks, nice. Kunin yung mga box na yan, kung ano man yung box na yan, tas talon. Yay! Parkour! This game is sick. Front flip. Nice. Jump. Nice. Jump. No! Damn it! This is so frustrating. No! We're dead. We're just dead. No, we're okay. What? I'm not dead somehow. Just come on. Come on, Vector. You can do better. Come on. Pinapanood ka ng maraming tao. Yung mga taong nandiyan sa mga building na yan. May mga tao man. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Nya, binap nya. There you go. Yung details ng game. I like the details. Front flip. Ito tayo eh. There you go. Finally. Bilis niya. Ba't ang bilis mo? Kunin mo lahat. Nice. Ginawa mo lahat. There you go. 3 stars. I think 3 stars. There you go. Nice. Galing ko talaga guys. Ano to? Kunin mo. V. The red thingy. Sa lab yan, right? Ito. Another one of these. 17. What do you mean? Unlock. Play. Okay? If you are the checkpoint. There you go. Ito na. They don't need it because I am the best. Damn it! Di ko nakuha yun. Paano yun? Yes? Oh, so you need to like to do specific things para makuha yung certain, di ba? Katulad yan, kailangan ko para tumalon dun. Damn it! Okay, makuha natin yan. Tapos sa pagtakbo natin dito, para natin tumalon. Damn it! Hindi ko pa rin nakuha. You know what? That's fine. Pabalikan na lang natin mga. Just jump. Gainer! Yun! Okay, nice. Thief Vogue. There you go. There you go, nice. Come on, no! Come on, just jump. Yes. There you go. So, kailangan natin na balikan yung isa. Yung isang bonuses. Yun talaga, palagi na lang talaga yung box eh. Kung ano man yung box na yan, yun yung nagpapabiktima sa akin kung ano ba kasi yung box na yan eh. Bakit mahalaga yan sa lipunan ng Pilipinas? Ng vector pala. Lipunan ng vector. Okay, so tatalon tayo dyan. Tatalon tayo. Get it! Nice! Nice! Damn it! You die anyways. Sabihin, hindi yun nice. Okay. Okay. Tapos tatakbo na tayo dito. You know what? Let's just jump. Leap of faith. Damn it. Jump. Nice. Tapos kukunin natin to. Nice. Then run. Just run. Tapos talon. There you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Gainer. Tapos mag-i-stay tayo dyan. Nice. Okay. Talon. Tapos talon ulit. Death Fog. Tapos tatalon tayo dito. Nice. There you go. Nice. I am lagging but that's fine. Box jump. Okay, nice. There you go. There you go, baby. 3 stars. Ha. Yes. Yan kaya to. Oh my god, this is so many. 311. Ano pala tayo? 1.6 pa lang. That's fine. Because I have an OCD. Gusto ko lahat ay perfect stars. Why? I don't know. I just want. Gusto ko lang makita yung mga tingin na ano, napatay. Walang naiiba. No! Paano yun? You know what? Fine. Let's repeat. Repeat after me. Jump, 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 then jump ulit. Nice, Vector. Not nice. Jump ulit. Death Vogue, tapos talon. Okay? So may specific na talon siya eh. Tapos ngayon, i-slide tayo dito. Right? Oh, fudge. No! Bloody! There you go, nice. There you go, 3 stars, baby! Damn it! No! Damn it! No! No! Come on, Victor! Come on, come on, come on, come on! Nice! Ilang beses ka na munti ka na mamatay? Ha? Buti na lang ang galing ng naglalaro sa'yo. Because I am the best. There you go. Lagi na niya. Box jump. Okay. Okay. This is not. There you go. Come on. Come on. Yes. 3 stars, baby. What else? Galing ah. Hinahabol mo lang ako kanina, ngayon nakasmile ka. What's wrong with you? 1.7. Ano to? Wow! Astig! Brad. That is satisfying. Mia. Just run. Jump. This is so satisfying and I like it. Jump. Get it, nice. First try. Tas wala pa yung guardia. First try, man. First try. Ganun ako kagaling. 1/8. That's okay, nice. 1/8. Jump, nice. No! Come on, Vector. Come on. There you go, that's fine. No! Oh my god, that's so high up. That's so hard. There you go. Jump. Jump. Nice. Jump. Okay, nice. Okay. Okay. Slide jump. Jump. Okay. Jump agad. Nice. Jump ulit. Then, do nothing. Nice. Then, jump ulit. Nice. Okay. 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 We're fine. Do nothing. And then just run. Just freaking run. Then jump. Then box jump. Reverse jump. Cover. Oh my god, nandiyan na agad siya. What do you mean? Bit ang bilis niya. Hindi ka na yan. Oh! Nice! First try na naman. Tama ba ako? Yeah, first try na naman. Ganun talaga ako kagaling. First try. 2 times in a row. What? Saan ako makakuha ng ibang coins? What? Dito. Play mo. Wow! Wow! Amazing! We can open this. 3, ayun! So, pwede natin itong i-open. Itong 9. No, we're not. What? Kailangan talaga natin maglaro ulit ng maglaro. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. We are like 1.5 yata yung pera natin. Kapag hindi tumaas to, anong gagawin natin para tumaas? Ito yata yun, itong mga coins na to eh. Hindi natin kailangan, ano, kasi nakuha naman na natin yung stars. Kailangan natin ngayon yung... Oh crap, kailangan natin pa rin mag-focus. Oh crap, run! Run! No! No! Stop it! Stop it right now! Stop it right now! Stop it! Stop it right now! Kunin natin ang nice. Okay? Okay. Kailangan natin makuha itong mga coins. Coins is life. Tapos gusto ko marinig yung, yung suggestion nyo eh. For you guys, money can buy happiness or what? Comment down below. Gusto ko malaman. Para sa inyo, can money buy happiness? For me, I feel like yes. I feel like yes. Because you can do so much things sa mundong to ng kapag may pera ka. Like, go around the world. Kailangan mo ng passport na kailangan mong bayaran ng pera. Kailangan mong pumunta sa airport, bumili ng flight gamit ng pera. Kailangan mo kumain para kumain ka, kailangan mo ng pera. So everything you do in this world ay kailangan ng pera. And gusto ko lang malaman kung anong opinion nyo. Can money buy happiness? For me, yes. Sa inyo, bala kayo. Just comment down below why yes or why not. That's a sick question. Kasi if you think about it, parang wala namang maling sagot eh. Everything is right. Damn it! Oh crap. Perfect. Why are you jumping? That's fine. Oh Oh, may red. What? May red. Pwede ba siyang gawing dalawang beses? 2 stars red, oh. Angas. Well, ayun muna ang magagawa nating etong episode 2. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. And if you do, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on notification bell for more. And see you guys to the next video. Bye-bye!